Hey guys, this is Deepan Gogoi, and in this video I'll show you how to use Parabolic SAR exactly. Before I start, make sure hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. When I release new content, you will get the notification exactly. Alright, in this video I'll show you three most important quality of Parabolic SAR. So what is the meaning of SAR? So we have seen PSAR, right? Parabolic SAR, right? P for parabolic. What is the meaning of S, right? S for stop, we know, right? And reverse. That means when you have any buy position, like price is going on, right? Once parabolic appear above this candle, that means stop. And A for and, R for it is confirming that probability, not 100% sure, to reverse, right? It is a probability to reverse back from this area. So most of the people are using, like, when one parabolic are forming above, so people are start selling suddenly. That is the wrong concept. Don't try to enter in this market suddenly. So I'll show you exactly when to enter by using Parabolic SAR, and I'll show you three quality most professional traders are using. One, identify the trend, either it is uptrend or it is downtrend. Second, entry and exit point. And the third, stop loss or trailing stop loss. Let me use here. First, I'm using this one, MT4 software, and here you can see this is Parabolic SAR. That means, and a period are coming manually. I'm not changing anything, and color is blue. So when I place, it should look like that, right? So when parabolic are appearing above the candle, it is confirming that trend is down. All right. Or if you wanna read more about Parabolic SAR, so you just visit to my website. This is called hornprofit.com. Here you can see, you just type like that, hornprofit.com, and you just visit their strategies indicator. Click on indicator, and this is my website. I given many trading strategies, and here you can see this is parabolic. Click on there, and most of the people are reading are there. All right, so you just read properly. All right, and I don't want to explain one by one. I will show you three most important things how to use Parabolic SAR. All right, you read properly how to trade, and exactly I'll show you how to trade by using Parabolic SAR. Now you can see this is crude oil and 15-minute chart, and I place Parabolic SAR here. So now you can see when parabolic are appearing below this candle, we have seen this is a candle. When they form this candle, parabolic are appear. So at that time, most of the people are entering buy. All right, don't do that. If you buy here, if you are lucky, then you will get the profit. Next, you can see when appear here parabolic, and at that time this candle, if you want to buy here at that time, what happened? Price just drop down. So we never enter suddenly when parabolic appear. All right, so let me tell you. So when parabolic are appearing, we are looking for most nearest and recent swing point. Got it? So let me explain properly. Alright, just a minute, let me show you properly here. You can see we have seen this is a Parabolic SAR here. Have you seen? This is a Parabolic SAR appear above this candle. That means we're gonna sell. Remember, we are looking for most recent swing point. So let me draw. We have seen this is a higher swing point, higher, lower, right? Swing point like that. Now let me draw a supporting line by connecting this swing point. Have you seen? We are looking for a support and resistance somewhere. Now we have seen parabolic are appearing here. we never gonna take sell in this area. We must wait to break this supporting line, right? So let me show you another example here. So we have seen their most recent higher point, and higher point, and I want to draw by connecting this higher point. All right, so let me show you. So I just connected here most recent higher point here exactly. Now you can see here we have seen even pin bar also. They broke this resistance line. This is the higher point, most recent higher point, and at that time you can see parabolic are above. So that is our not buy entry. All right, so let me show you where is our entry point exactly. Now I can see this is crude oil and right now price is running. So we must find out most recent point. So where is the most recent point? This one rejection, this one rejection, this one rejection, and rejection. We have seen multiple rejection. All right, so in that case I want to draw a resistance line by connecting that point. Just a minute. I want to connect. I just connected here most recent point. Have you seen Ola connected here? Price reverse back, reverse back, like hit and reverse, and you can see most of the time we have seen the parabolic appearing here. So if you are not following this method, look what going to be happen here, right? So you can see here what going to be happen, right? Have you seen? So when they appear here, so most of the people are buying here. Then what happened? Price just dropped down, right? Again they have seen price here. People are start buying in this area. You can see they will hit your SL in that case. All right. So now we can see our entry point will be. You can see this candle broke the resistance level, and at that time parabolic are appearing below. That is our buy entry point. And if you want to enter for the buy, and this is rule number 1, rule number 2. Rule number 1, parabolic are confirming us in a 15-minute trend is up. Number 1, right? Number 2, they have given entry point. So number 2, we have seen our entry point when they broke this line, right? Number 3, they are showing us SL. So where is our SL? SL are just below this parabolic, and it will confirming us like when price will go up like that, here, and parabolic also moving like that, and you can pay your SL. That is the rule number 3. All right. Now you can see this is another case here. So here we have seen this is the most higher point, and most of the people are thinking, hey, this is resistance level and parabolic are appearing, or this that is resistance level, parabolic are appearing. Can I enter here for the buy? I always telling you that if you want to enter for the buy, so we must place buy order above this candle, not suddenly here. But most of the people are doing, they don't have patience and entering in this area. So always wait to break this level candle. So once they break this candle, we will start buying. So if you want to enter here, what going to be happen? You can see price drop down, and the next you can see we have to find out support. Now most of the people are entering here by using parabolic, right? At that time, and at that time candle are appearing, people are start selling in this candle. So after that they will hit the RSL, right? So in that case we're gonna use supporting line. We are looking for a most recent swing point and supporting point. Where is that? I just drawn up, right? So now you can see we have seen more rejection point are there, here, somewhere here. At that time we have seen this candle broke this supporting line, and at that time parabolic SAR pointer above this candle, right? That is our sell entry point somewhere here, right? That is our sell entry point. Otherwise, don't enter anywhere in this market. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.